Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Cleanse the area so vitamin E absorbs, not on makeup or oils. Once dry, inspect the capsule for holes. You need an intact capsule. Twist or snip the tip over a small dish. Use one capsule only. Use a clean cotton swab or your fingertip to pick up the oil. This minimizes contamination and controls dose. Make sure to work with small amounts. Vitamin E is thick, so a little goes a long way. Now apply. Place 1-2 drops where needed, scars, dry patches, or fine lines, but keep away from eyes. You should feel a light oil layer. Massage gently in small circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds to increase absorption and circulation. If you're treating the face, use upward strokes and include the jawline. Once absorbed, wait a minute before layering with night cream if desired. This step boosts skin repair overnight. To finish, let the oil absorb for 5 to 10 minutes before putting on bedding or clothes to avoid stains. Once dry, your skin can use vitamin E overnight to help repair and retain moisture. If you notice redness, itching, or breakouts, rinse immediately with gentle cleanser and stop use. Perform a patch test on inner arm for 24 hours before retrying. If problems persist, consult a professional. Make sure capsules are stored cool and dark to maintain efficacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.